This is gonna blow your mind. Imagine waking up in a land of endless adventure and mystic beauty. Welcome to Aros. In Dreamer's Hollow, our hero awakens under a canopy of shimmering leaves. A mysterious world awaits, from the enchanting mystic forest to the scorching expanse of Aros Desert and the towering peaks of Skyreach Mountains. The Land of Aros is teeming with wonders and dangers. Join our hero as they gather a diverse team of allies, each with unique powers and stories. Embark on an epic quest to uncover the legendary master weapons, the only hope against the looming threat of the god boss. Feel the rush of intense battles against mythical creatures. Watch our hero grow in strength and wisdom, their journey unfolding in dramatic slow motion and dynamic camera angles. As the heroic orchestral soundtrack rises, our hero stands at the gates of the celestial citadel, ready to face the ultimate challenge. This is my destiny, they declare. Fade to the title Land of Aros. Are you ready to embark on this epic adventure?